The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where you watch?
Dancehall.
Thank you. Thank
So what you go do with this money now?
you. Buy food for the holiday, man.
Buy food for the holiday, bun and cheese and them something.
Yeah.
So let me see what I go on in there.
See the duster.
Clear, that was a long way that I figure, man. You can't fool that, brother.
I chew, man. You take a food by now and Wednesday, man.
Wait, by now Wednesday full.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Alright, man. You're supposed to have a happy Easter, you know?
I chew, man.
Big up yourself, eh? Yeah?
Alright, man.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Yes, I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, I saw pieces of videos circulating on social media that shows a person with a bucket begging money somewhere within the country that is known as Jamaica. And I also saw another piece of video circulating on social media where it is said that the same person can be seen playing a money machine, and it is said that the person was gambling. Now, viewers and subscribers, let's see if all those pieces of videos actually shows the same person, and if the person was actually gambling, then I think it is bad, you see me? Because I am wondering, why would someone beg money on the streets and then take that money to go and gamble? See me? Now you can let me know what you think about those pieces of videos, and viewers and subscribers. You can tell me if you think those pieces of videos actually shows the same person, and you can also tell me if you think the person was gambling and other things as well. Alright? And please bear in mind that I'm only telling you some things that have been said on social media about those pieces of videos. Alright? Now I'm going to move on to another video. The next video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a person who had been accused of grabbing a female's phone. Some places on social media, it is said that the video shows a phone thief. You see me? Alright, and it is said that the person had been accused of thieving the female's phone, and it is said that the person had been arrested by the police within the country of Jamaica. You see? Now, viewers and subscribers, I do not have any confirmed information as to exactly where within the country of Jamaica this video had been recorded, nor do I have any confirmed information as to when this video had been recorded. But however, you can let me know what you think about this video, viewers and subscribers, alright? Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
I'm not sorry. Phone thief. Phone thief. I want to beat him, kill him. Phone thief. Infidel. Watch him. Grab me near the phone, infidel. Watch him. I pretend. Infidel. I want him phone thief. Watch him. Thief who my phone, infidel.
Viewers and subscribers, based on how the person's clothes look, it seems as if that person had been beaten, you know? Yeah, it seems as if that person had been beaten by one or maybe more than one person, you know? But I'm just telling you what I think, you know? You see me, I say, and you can also let me know what I think about that video that I just presented to you, alright? Now, I got some information that gave me the understanding that things might have gotten worse for Tommy Lee Sparta. And I'm talking about the musician who goes by the name of Tommy Lee Sparta, you see? And I'm going to explain to you in my words, according to how I understand some things that I read in a news article about Tommy Lee Sparta. You see, Tommy Lee Sparta had been convicted and is serving 3 years in prison for illegal possession of firearm and ammunition. You see? Now, according to some things that I read in a news article, it is said that the police gave reports that they tested the gun that was taken from Tommy Lee, and it is said that the police gave reports that the gun is connected to at least 2 murders and more than 2 shootings with intent. You see me? Yeah, it is said that projectile and cartridge casings recovered from the scene of murders and shootings have been linked to the illegal firearm that was seized from Tommy Lee. It is said that the results were disclosed recently when the firearm was subjected to ballistics test, where an integrated ballistic identification system machine was used. You see? Now, according to another news article that I read, it is said that a lawyer who represents Tommy Lee denied those things that had been said about Tommy Lee and other things as well. So me I said to you, or denied those reports. You see me? Alright? Alright, so I'm just letting you know what's going on, you know. You can let me know what you think about this whole thing about the Tommy Lee Sparta. You see what I say? Alright? Now I'm going to move on to another video. The next video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a confrontation between a motorist and a law enforcer somewhere within the country that is known as United States of America. Yeah, this video has been recorded somewhere within the country that is known as United States of America, and it is said that the law enforcer pulled over the motorist and the motorist refused from complying with the law enforcer's requests. I do not have any confirmed information as to exactly when this video has been recorded, but however, I'm going to present this video to you so that you can take a look at it for yourself, and you can also let me know what you think about some of the things that have been shown and said in this video. Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Give me your license, registration.
Get off my door. Get off my door.
You send me another car.
Get off my door.
Get out of the car.
Get off my door. You are UMass police. You work for the campus. Do not open my door. Get out. Close my door.
Give me your license.
You're not.
registration.
It's not happening.
Give me your license.
It's not happening.
registration.
It's not happening. Call your supervisor. Call your supervisor.
Give me your license.
Call your supervisor. Call your supervisor because it's not
If you do not give me
happening.
your license registration,
It's-
I'm going to take you to the
listen.
car and place you in handcuffs.
Listen, if you
Give me
if you
your
do not
license
want to
and
be
registration.
sued, you're gonna want
It's
to.
not
You're gonna
about
want.
that.
If you do
It's
not want to
fine.
be sued, close my door
When
and
a
call your
police officer
supervisor.
asks
I
you
asked for your
license
supervisor.
registration.
I asked for your supervisor.
Okay, stop
Call
it,
your
stop it.
supervisor. Close my door and call your supervisor.
Somebody's already called.
Close my
Get out of the
door
car.
and call your supervisor.
Get out of the car.
Close my door. Call your
Get out of the
supervisor.
car.
Close my door and call your supervisor.
Get out of the car.
You heard what I said.
Get out of
If
the
you
car.
do not want to be sued,
Get out of the
close
car.
my door because you have no right to open my
Get
door
out of the
and try
car.
to force me out of my car.
Get out
You're
of the
not
car.
gonna do that. It's not happening.
It is an
Not today.
arrestable offense
It's
to
not
not give me a
happening.
license
Not
and
today.
registration.
I promise you,
Get
it
out
will
of
not
the
happen
car.
today. I
Get
promise
out of
you
the
that.
car.
It's not happening today.
Get out.
This officer works for
Get out of the
UMass,
car.
UMass police, and
Get out of the
he's
car. Now.
trying to force
Get
me
out.
out my car.
Get out of the
But
car.
I'm trying to tell him it's not happening because
Get
it's
out of the
not
car
happening.
now.
Call your supervisor. You must be high out of your crack
Get
code
out of the
mind.
car. No. Get out of the car.
Can you close my door?
I'm going to take you out
I
of the
am
car in
not-
2
I am
seconds.
not-
I'm going to ask you again. Get
Sir.
out of the car.
Can you explain to him
Get out of the
that
car.
he does not have any right
is an
to open my
arrestable
door
offense when
and
you
try
do
to
not
pull
give
me
me a
out my
license and
car
registration.
when I've asked for a supervisor multiple times? He is not about to pull me out my car. I don't care what you say. That's not happening today.
You're coming out of the car.
He's
right
not about
now.
to pull me out my car
Get out of
and
the
think
car.
that it's okay. I asked for a supervisor calmly. He's asking, all right, so close my door and wait for the supervisor. I'm not getting out the car. I'm not getting out the car.
I don't know what the offense is.
I'm just telling you, and I'm talking to you very calmly.
You will be getting
He opened my door
Get out of the
and
car.
trying to force me out my car.
Get out of
That's
the car.
not happening. That's not happening.
Get out of
What
the
are you
car
forcing
now.
me?
Get out.
Get out of the car, sir.
And what do you have?
Get out of the
Why did you
car.
open up Mace for?
Get out of the car.
Listen,
Based on your reaction,
Get out of the car.
You're very volatile.
I am not. No, I'm not. I am
Yes,
sitting
you
here
are. Get
talking
out
to
of
you,
the car.
telling you that this man
Okay.
came to my door, opened my door, and tried to force me out the car. It's not happening. Are you the supervisor, sir?
Yep, step out of the vehicle, sir.
Get out.
Okay?
What am I stepping out of my
Get out of
vehicle
the
for?
car.
Step out of the vehicle, sir.
What am I stepping out of my vehicle for?
Get out of the
But what is the reason for?
Because you told you to
This
step
is
out of
my
the vehicle.
right to sit in my car. I do not have to.
Sir.
He does not have to drag me out of my
I told
car
you 4 times
at all.
it is an arrestable
I am.
offense.
Listen,
Get
just
out.
like what is an
Get out
arrestable
of the
offense?
car.
What
You're not
is?
giving me your
What
license
is?
and registration.
What
Get
is?
out of the car.
What is the reason you asked me for my
Get out
license
of
and
the car.
registration?
Sir, get out of the car.
What is the reason?
Get out of the car.
What is the reason?
Get out.
What is the reason?
Get
And
out.
you're holding your.
Get out.
Don't.
Get
I'm
out
telling
of
you
the
right
car.
now. Do not touch
Get
me.
out of the car.
Do not touch me. I promise you right now.
Get out of the car.
Don't touch me.
Get out of the car.
Do
Put
not-
the phone
listen.
down. Get out of the car.
Listen.
Now. This is
You-
your last chance to get out
Y'all
on your
work
own.
for
Otherwise,
the
I'm taking you out.
You work for the UMass police. You're not.
Okay.
I'm nowhere near campus. I'm nowhere near on
Last chance
campus.
to get out of the car.
I'm nowhere near campus
I'll tell you what.
at all.
Let's get out. We can discuss it over
Get
here.
out of
Listen.
the car.
Listen,
Now.
you and I can get out. We discuss it right over here.
Me and you gonna discuss it. I don't want to
Get
talk
out.
to him
That's fine. Come on up.
at all.
What's your name? My man, what's your name?
I'm not telling you my name until we
I
talk.
was just gonna talk
We're
to you.
gonna talk on the side.
Right over here, right on the sidewalk. Okay?
Excuse your fingers. I don't want to roll up your fingers and say that I try to crush your fingers.
Okay.
Fuck out of here.
Face that direction for me.
I'm gonna talk to him. He just said to talk to him. on the side. I'm not. You're not about to search. I do not consent with no search. I do not consent to no search. Then what are you touching? Why do you put my? Why?
Based on your
Why?
behavior, face
Why?
that direction.
Why? No, I'm not. Because he pulled me over, ran to my car door, opened my car door, and tried to force me out the car. It's not happening.
You need to relax.
Then let me talk to him and tell him to go sit over there. Put him in his car.
Go over
Get
there.
Get a supervisor. Tell him get away.
Sir,
That's it.
calm down.
You're not about to tell me to go against the car.
Face that direction.
I'm not facing that direction.
Face that direction.
I'm not facing that direction.
You need to follow my
I do not
instructions.
consent with any of this.
Sir.
I don't
Okay.
consent with any
Not a
search.
choice.
I don't. It's not a choice? Is that what you're
Correct.
telling me?
Face that direction.
You're telling me it's not a choice. I'm
It
a
is an
U.S. citizen. You're telling me it's not a
offense.
choice.
Do not give a police officer
Listen.
your license and registration when
Listen.
requested. Face
Listen,
that direction.
You are UMass police.
Stand up over here for me.
Let's go. Come on. Let's stand over here. Come on. Get him away from me.
You want to talk to me?
I'll talk to both of y'all. As long as I'm not talking to him. Because he's very
Just
aggressive.
do me a favor.
I'll tell you that right now.
Okay, hold on. Just do me a favor.
Yes.
Us.
Yes.
You're being disorderly, you're yelling,
not-
screaming. We're going to
Listen,
talk to you,
okay.
Okay?
Listen.
I mean,
The
just speak
reason
to you.
why I'm yelling, you know the reason why I'm yelling?
Go ahead.
The reason why I'm yelling
Yeah.
is because he's been following me since the highway.
The highway.
Yes, we've been. Ask him.
Highway. Like
Yes.
93,
On
the
93
highway.
coming south. He's
Okay,
been behind me.
Since the highway, okay. All right.
All
So where did you
the
go?
way to here.
To where? So from the highway?
From the highway, got off at the
Where'd you
light,
get- where'd
took
you
the
get off?
left,
Hold on,
went
hold on.
past JFK.
You lost me. You already lost me.
Okay, so off
Hold
the
on,
highway,
hold on.
off 93, at the set of lights, went under the bridge. He stayed behind me. Go straight,
Okay.
get to the rotary, come right here.
What road?
Come,
The rotary up at the big rotary up there.
Yes.
Gotcha. Okay.
Came off the rotary,
Yeah.
came past the state police barracks,
Yes.
came
which
this
is all
way,
over and came here.
came this way. The bus was going this way. I turned in. He throws his lights on. Said, "You can't do that. Get out the car. Look, open up my door." He opened up my door. You're not. You can't do that. I don't care what he says. You cannot touch
listen,
my car. That's
listen,
my property.
listen.
My property. He can't do that.
From what the officer says,
Alright, so dear avid viewers and subscribers, you don't know me Dancehall Skilla. I'm only there so to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on, alright? So big up and respect to each and every one, and until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. Yes, it.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch. Dancehall skilla. Yeah, man. Hey, yo, skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.